Preparedness is when safety and survival mesh with opportunity. And to help prep farmers from the depredations and schemes of unscrupulous traders, this government assures a steady price for unhusked grains year-round. This as he also vowed increase in expanded coverage for farmers' crops damaged by the elements, as well as a generous gift of a rolling rig that samples soil for their fertility and sustainability, which he turned over in Nueva Ecija today, as our Clayzel Pardilla reports.
Even before strong successive calamities hit and disrupt the agriculture sector, the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is already taking action to protect farmers and fisherfolk from the impact of such disasters.
Handa na ngayon tayo dahil alam na natin kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin. Nailagay na natin ang mga iba't ibang sistema sa DA, sa NFA at sa hanggang sa local level ay handa na tayo. Inayos na namin ang sistema para hindi naman masyadong mahirapan ang mga farmer natin.
In a dialogue with farmers in Nueva Ecija, the president reassured the agricultural sector of continued government support. One key measure, setting a fixed procurement price for palay to ensure farmers don't suffer losses regardless of fluctuating market prices. Seed distribution, fertilizer support, and other farm inputs are also ongoing. He also introduced new technology to strengthen this sector, including 16 mobile soil laboratories deployed nationwide. These units will test soil quality to determine its needs and help improve productivity.
Para mapag-aralan kung ano na ba ang pangangailangan, ano ba ang tamang pagbigay ng ayuda, ng pesticide, lahat. At pati na kung ano na ang lagay, ano na ang sitwasyon doon sa lupa na tinataniman ninyo. Para mag-maximize tayo doon dumami ang ating production. Kailangan natin pumasok sa mga bagong teknolohiya. Dahil yun, kailangan talaga natin para maging yung bawat hektarya natin, mas malaki ang yield, mas malaki ang ani.
To cushion the effects of disasters, President Marcos also expanded the insurance coverage for crops. This includes damage due to typhoons, El Nino, or pest infestation.
Pinalawak natin ang coverage ng ating mga insurance. Bukod po, pero pagka talagang nasira na yung planting season at hindi na makabawi, ay magbibigay kami ng subsidy para makatawid lang hanggang sa susunod na planting season.
This year, the government targets 20.46 million metric tons of palay production. It aims to reduce dependence on imported food while securing better income for Filipino farmers.
Patuloy lang ang aming ginagawa para lahat ng tulong na maibigay natin sa ating mga mangingisda, sa ating mga farmer ay gagawin natin. Darating din tayo sa araw na hindi na tayo masyadong umaasa sa importation.
Also today, individuals, groups, and institutions with exceptional contributions to the agriculture sector were recognized under the Gawad Saka Awards. Among the awardees was Bongkahes from Davao del Sur. From selling vegetables, he has since ventured into poultry and dairy farming, made possible with the help of the Department of Agriculture.
Doon ko natutunan ang mga pamaraan at innovations. Nung una, naglalako lang kami. Tapos, dahil sa Department of Agriculture, sumali kami sa kadiwa at ani.
For his achievements, Bong received 500,000 pesos in cash prizes from the Department of Agriculture. He plans to use to further expand his farming business. Clayzel Pardilla for the New and Better Philippines.